Now let's review and practice a bit. Remember that object pronouns are used to replace nouns that are the direct or indirect objects of a clause or a sentence. Let's have a look at the pronouns below. What is the object pronoun of the subject pronoun I? Me. You. You. He. Him. She. Her. It. It. We. Us. And they. Them. Also note that object pronouns come either after a verb or a preposition. Now have a look at the sentence below and fill in the blanks using the appropriate object pronoun. My mom asked to do. My mom asked me to do it. Note that the subject pronoun it and the object pronoun it look the same. Have a look at the sentences below. In which sentence is the pronoun it a subject pronoun? And in which sentence is the pronoun it an object pronoun? I like this book a lot. It is one of my favorites. I often read it when I'm feeling down. In the first sentence, the pronoun it is a subject pronoun. And in the second sentence, the pronoun it is an object pronoun. Remember that object nouns are always the recipients of the action in sentences. Try to correct the following sentence. John invited them and I to his party. John invited them and me to his party. Also, we should replace the object with an object pronoun to avoid repetition. Have a look at the sentence below and try to avoid the repetition in the second sentence by using an object pronoun. You can't talk with Greg every hour. Constantly being on the phone with Greg leaves you with zero free time. Constantly being on the phone with him leaves you with zero free time.